If you are a Vietnamese food lover, then you will love mắm nêm chấm, which is Vietnamese fermented anchovy dipping sauce. It's definitely an acquired taste, but if you know, you know, and you know that it's the bomb of all dipping sauces. Start off by chopping your lemongrass, then chop your garlic, and then grate your ginger, and then saute the aromatics in a small saucepan with oil. In Vietnamese, you call this mắm nêm pha sẵn, which means it's already made and prepared. They do sell some of these bottles, but I find that they're very difficult to find in the Asian supermarket, so I always like to do my own. Once you saute the aromatics, you're gonna add white vinegar, coconut water, a can of crushed pineapple along with its juice, chili paste, chopped chili, lime zest, sugar, and the star of the show, which is the anchovy paste. Bring this all to a boil and then turn off the heat. I like to then put it in the fridge so it's nice and cool before I start dipping it. My British husband does not like this, nor does he like the smell of it, but I love it so much and I love dipping it with my rolls. Enjoy.